In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to request delivery of a print book to any Rome State location. So I'm going to start by doing a search in the OneSearch tool. You can search for a specific title or an author's name or just by keyword. So here's our list of results. And as you can see, the first several results are print books. First two are available at the Harriman Campus Library, and then we've got some at the Oak Ridge Campus Library as well. I'm just going to click on the first one there. And when I do that, it gives me the detailed record for this book. And that's where there is an option to sign in to place a request. When you click sign in, you do have to select this second option here that includes RSCC users. And then it'll ask for your Rome State email address and password to log you in. Once you've logged in, you'll see the request option. So you can click that and select your pickup location. So if you were at any of the Rome State locations, even the ones that don't have a physical library, we can send books to you. So you would select your location and then send the request. Once we get that, we'll pull the book off the shelf, put it in the courier, and send it to the pickup location that you've specified. It takes 1 to 2 business days to get there through the courier. Then once it arrives, you'll just pick it up from the front desk. And when you're done with it, you can return it to that campus's front desk. As always, if you have any questions, please contact the library and we'll be happy to help you.